A clutter-free apartment does more than improve appearances. It transforms the way you experience your home. In today's fast-paced world, where apartments often serve as places to work, relax, entertain, and recharge, maintaining an organized environment has become increasingly important. Minimalist living is not about owning as little as possible. Rather, it is about surrounding yourself only with items that add value to your daily life. Decluttering is the first and most essential step toward achieving this goal. Whether you're moving into a new apartment or simply looking to refresh your current living space, thoughtful decluttering can create a brighter, more peaceful, and functional home that feels larger and easier to maintain. Start with a clear decluttering plan. Many people feel overwhelmed when they decide to declutter because they attempt to organize their entire apartment in a single day. A more effective approach is to create a realistic plan that breaks the project into manageable sections. Focus on one room or even one drawer at a time. Completing smaller tasks builds momentum and makes the overall process feel far less intimidating. Consider creating a checklist that includes the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, living room, closets, and storage areas. Having a structured plan also helps prevent unnecessary stress and allows you to make thoughtful decisions instead of rushing through the process. Sort every item with intention. Successful decluttering requires honesty. As you go through your belongings, ask yourself whether each item still serves a purpose or genuinely improves your life. A simple sorting system can make decision-making easier. Create separate categories such as keep, donate, sell, recycle, and discard. This method encourages objective choices rather than emotional ones. If an item has not been used in the past year and holds no meaningful sentimental value, it may be time to let it go. Remember that keeping unnecessary possessions often consumes valuable space without providing real benefits. Minimalism is about making room for what truly matters. Clear surfaces for an instant refresh. One of the quickest ways to make an apartment feel cleaner and more spacious is by clearing visible surfaces. Kitchen countertops, coffee tables, dining tables, bathroom vanities, and bedside tables often accumulate everyday items that create visual clutter. While many of these objects may be useful, they do not always need to remain on display. Store frequently used items inside cabinets, drawers, or decorative baskets. Leave only a few carefully selected accessories, such as a vase, candle, or small plant, to maintain a clean and inviting appearance. Clear surfaces immediately create a calmer atmosphere and highlight the simplicity of minimalist design. Maximize storage without adding bulk. Minimalist apartments rely on efficient storage rather than excessive furniture. Instead of purchasing additional cabinets, look for ways to make better use of existing storage spaces. Drawer dividers, shelf organizers, storage bins, and vacuum-sealed bags help maximize available capacity while keeping belongings neatly arranged. Vertical storage solutions also work particularly well in compact apartments. Furniture with hidden storage, such as ottomans, beds with built-in drawers, and coffee tables with compartments, provides extra organization without occupying additional floor space. The goal is to keep everyday essentials accessible while maintaining a clean visual environment. Simplify your wardrobe. Closets are often one of the biggest sources of household clutter. Clothing that no longer fits, outdated fashion trends, or rarely worn items can quickly consume valuable storage space. A minimalist wardrobe focuses on versatility rather than quantity. Keep clothing that fits well, suits your lifestyle, and can be mixed and matched easily. Organize garments by category and color to simplify daily routines. Seasonal clothing can be stored separately to create additional space within your primary wardrobe. A thoughtfully curated closet reduces decision fatigue while making your apartment feel significantly more organized. Reduce decorative clutter. Decorative items bring personality to a home, but too many accessories can overwhelm even the most beautiful apartment. Instead of displaying numerous small objects, choose a few meaningful decorative pieces that complement your overall design. A framed artwork, a sculptural vase, or a healthy indoor plant often creates a stronger visual impact than multiple unrelated decorations. Negative space is an important component of minimalist interiors. Empty areas allow the eye to rest and help showcase carefully selected design elements. Remember that simplicity often creates greater elegance than abundance. Organize digital clutter too. Decluttering is not limited to physical possessions. Digital clutter can also contribute to feelings of stress and disorganization. Take time to organize files on your computer, delete duplicate photos, unsubscribe from unnecessary email newsletters, and remove unused applications from your devices. A clean digital workspace improves productivity in much the same way that an organized apartment supports mental clarity. Since many people now work remotely or manage daily tasks from home, digital organization has become an essential part of minimalist living. Refreshing both your physical and digital environments creates a more balanced lifestyle. Establish daily habits that prevent future clutter. Decluttering is most effective when supported by consistent daily habits. Without regular maintenance, even the most organized apartment can gradually become cluttered again. Simple routines can make a significant difference. Return items to their designated places after use, spend a few minutes tidying each evening, and avoid purchasing unnecessary household goods on impulse. Many minimalist homeowners follow the one-in, one-out principle. Whenever a new item enters the apartment, another item is donated or removed. This habit helps maintain balance while preventing unnecessary accumulation. Small daily actions often produce lasting results over time. Focus on quality instead of quantity. Minimalism encourages thoughtful ownership rather than constant consumption. Instead of filling your apartment with inexpensive items that quickly wear out, consider investing in fewer, higher-quality pieces that offer durability and timeless style. Well-crafted furniture, versatile decor, and reliable household essentials not only last longer but also contribute to a more refined and cohesive interior. Making intentional purchasing decisions reduces future clutter while supporting a more sustainable lifestyle. Enjoy the benefits of a refreshed minimalist apartment. Decluttering is more than an organizational project. It is an opportunity to reshape your living environment and improve your daily life. A refreshed minimalist apartment offers greater comfort, enhanced functionality, and a stronger sense of peace. By creating a clear decluttering plan, organizing possessions with intention, maximizing storage, simplifying decor, and developing sustainable habits, you can transform even the smallest apartment into a calm and welcoming retreat.